Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 219. If we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 8. No help here, 2, 3, 8. 8 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. But that 2 makes this our 8, 2. And the 2 and 8 makes this our 3, 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 7. 2 here, so 7, 8. 2 and 8 here means this is our 7, 8, 2. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. And to finish out this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 3 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.